So how to use pipe and drape? Pretty much, how are you guys using pipe and drape? Like, how are you using backdrops? Are you using it for sweetheart tables, treat tables, picture backdrops? That's how you're using it now? That's pretty much the most common ways. However, you still could use it, like we just discussed, hot and ugly stuff. You can still use it for hot and ugly walls. You can still use it for hot and ugly areas. Especially you're going to see a lot of that moving forward, because a lot of people are not able to get the venues that they want to get. Some people use them as a room divider. This is another thing I want you guys to kind of be open to. Especially right now with this COVID and testing, some people kind of section things off for privacy, or if they testing. So a lot of these places what are they doing to that? It's not just open to outside. So you got to find testing sites, right? A lot of testing sites, they're not buying their own stuff. They're going out and getting companies to section off these areas. Even for if you come in and you're doing whatever they have going on, but they need a privacy area, they may have a privacy area. I had that happen for the Goodwill. I don't know what kind of convention they had, but they needed this section off, and they needed a privacy area or something like that. So me, if I was only just positioning myself just to do backdrops, I'd never landed that gig. And that was a pretty big gig. So that's why I'm telling you guys the ways you could use pipe and drape, right? Transforming a room. Somebody come in here and like, oh, this looks like a conference, but they want to have a small intimate event. The main thing you can do is drape the walls, right? I like draping walls because that's a pretty big gig, and it's easy. Because when you're doing perimeter draping, it's not a lot of design. They just want to hide some stuff. That's easy peasy. I'm going to do that all day, because now it's still a big job because I'm covering a lot of space. I have one venue in Atlanta. That's all I do. Now, of course, I'm like, look, I just want to let me do one swag. They don't want all that. They just want me to come in, set up some drapes just to cover up a wall, because it got TVs and stuff like that. And I'm like, oh, okay. So I'm going to do it, but that's an easy way for you to get a big job. Shoot. I am Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and I teach event creatives such as yourself how to attract higher paying clients through premium draping. So if you are new to the platform, I want to know your biggest draping question. So post it in the comments below, and guess what? I may have a solution specifically for you.